Hello everyone, welcome to Engineers Palette. I hope you all will be doing well. Today we will be studying sketch driven pattern. So for this, let's create some geometry and then a sketch on which we want to create our drawing. Okay, um, let's give this an 18 and make this and this both equal. Okay, now they are equal. uh, Trim entities and remove this one. Remove this center line also, we don't need them. Okay, go to features, extrude browser base and extrude them to I want 5 mm thick. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll click here and I will draw a sketch over it, and now I'll make sure that I'm drawing it just in the center. Okay, diameter of this needs to be 4. Okay, 13 is good. Yeah, 13 is good. Now again, go to features, extrude it 10 millimeters, or maybe 20 will be good. Okay, yeah, 20 is good. And now again go there and I will choose points. 1 point over here, 1 point, yeah, 1 point here, yeah, right here, 1 right here, 1 over here. Now 1 should be here and 1 in the end here. Okay, so this is now my sketch. I want this that extrude, the boss extrude, to pattern on my sketch. Okay, so what will I do? I will go to this pattern, sketch driven pattern. What I need to select, I need to select a sketch. You can either choose it graphically or you can choose it from here. Okay, now feature. So what feature I want? This. Okay, now they all are like, and this is it. This was all about your sketch pattern, that you can create any sketch and you that you want, and you can drag your you can create your pattern on that according to that sketch. Okay, now if you want some changes here, go to sketch and you can make changes as well. I want some more points here, this and this here and this here, 1 over there and 1 there, 1 here, 1 here. If I want these changes, okay, get out of the sketch and here are your required pattern. Okay, now go back to sketch pattern. If you want to skip some, okay, selected points. Now only those points will be created which I select. Okay, like here, a selected point, it will create it from the selected point. You can see it. Okay, so the geometry is basically created from that, not from here but from the selected point. Okay, so that was your reference point. And here the other option, which is a centroid, so means that it will be started from just from here, but when I selected point, so it means that it is centered somewhere else. So it means that it is centered here, or from here you can check it like this. Or if you again select this point, so it will again drag down to this point. Okay, I hope you would get it, and you would like it. Please like and share with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.